Oke, kita lanjutkan lagi petualangan kita teman-teman di Fable tahun ini dalam rangka mengungkap kebenaran tentang siapa yang telah membunuh si Fate. Fable tahun ini sudah kayak Gotham City teman-temannya, dan kita sudah jadi kayak Batman di kota ini. Dan kemarin kita telah menangkap si Dumb Andy bersaudara ini teman-teman, dan membiarkan si Woodsman, si tukang kayu, pergi. Nah, entah ada apa lagi di apartemen kita ini cuy. Wah, ada apa ini Pak Pol? Ada syuting acara 86 kayaknya cuy. Oke lah, kita menyelinap. Hei, tunggu bajingan. Kenapa dia sampai mual kayak gitu? Hamil. Hei, warga sipil. Waduh, kenapa lagi nih? Anjing! Snow White cuy! Calon kekasih kita. Wah, bangsat sih. Siapa yang bunuh cuy?
We had something very special.
Anjing lah.
Where's your brother?
Fuck you! Give me one good reason I should tell
Wah,
you.
mati sih kau.
Where's the rest of her?
Serial killer.
Oh my.
A serial killer? Oh God, it's one of us.
Wait, the woodsman still
Nggak
in the
mungkin dia.
streets.
We've got to put a lid on this.
If you can't manage it,
Dia memang brengsek tapi nggak mungkin bunuh orang cuy.
I found out where she's been staying.
I know she's here. You must have seen her. What are the two of you hiding?
Thanks for not saying anything.
doesn't matter.
Huh,
Maybe you
siapa
just
ini?
wanna plunge something.
Kenapa ada perempuan bugil di belakangnya?
Arrange that.
What did you do?
Friend on friend.
At the end
The end
of the end.
Jesus Christ, baby.
Wah, anjing.
You?
Jadi manusia serigala cuy. Smoke and the Mirror. Wah, masuk episode 2 kita cuy. Apa nih? Player choice. Oke, langsung aja lah. Tanpa banyak berbasa-basi. Anjing, apaan nih? Habis. Oh, kita masuk episode 2 sekarang cuy. Ini apa sih? Creditnya episode 1. Oke, bagian ini nanti ku potong aja lah cuy. Kita skip aja.
Mr. Toad? Do something, Big B.
Wah, ini rangkuman episode 1 cuy.
Tears up the place. Whoa, 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 hey, hey!
You've got something on your face.
Ini si Fate.
Fuck are you?
Ini si Woodsman.
Stupid cunt.
You're not as bad as everyone.
Dan ini si Beauty cuy.
Please, baby.
Istri dari si
Promise
The
me you
Beast.
won't tell Beast you saw me.
Yang open BO kayaknya. Kita berasumsi kok dia open BO.
I'm staying out.
Tapi nggak tahu lah ya.
It's not what you might be thinking.
Habis mau ngapain lagi dia cuy?
Have you
Cantik.
seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty?
Come with me.
Ini si Fate.
Don't interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Masa cuma satu episode aja
You
si
are the
Snow White ini cuy.
Miss Snow.
Ini si Babi, Dumb Andy.
He's dumb.
Yang kita tangkap siapa ya?
He said if word of this ever got back to him, if he ever thought you knew, or Miss White, he'd come back and kill my boy.
I'm looking for the woodsman.
Well, he's
Nah, ini
not
tempat
here.
ini
you're
bar
out of
trip
paper
trap.
towels and,
Kemarin kita telah membuat
they're
kekacauan
gonna
di
string
sini
me up, Bigby.
dan membiarkan si Woodsman pergi cuy.
Bad, it looks really bad, but I didn't do it.
All right. I got $100
Oh, si
bucks
Dam
for the
berarti.
first bloke that can tell me something about a girl named...
Dia pedang? Nggak tahu lah.
This fucking
Lupa tadi lihat topinya.
comes sniffing around this part.
Oh, di kayaknya.
Fucks in the woodlands need a shakedown.
Untung kita nggak bunuh si alienoid itu.
Now things are worse off than they've ever been.
Well,
Wah,
that's
panjang juga rangkumannya cuy.
Right. We've had it worse, but not by much.
Apaan lagi? Opening. Oh, enggak. Wah, anjing. Shock sih pasti itu. Anjing, ini kan wanita yang akan kupacari cuy.
Mr. Wolf!
Anjing, kaget bangsat. Gugup. Tegang cuy. Anjing. Foto kepalanya lagi cuy.
Difficult than it has to be. If you just cooperate and answer the questions, you can go home. Maybe get some sleep. How are you feeling?
Kita aja nggak tahu siapa yang
I know
lakukan.
it's been a long night for you.
Ya nggak enak lah
Look like
kalau
you could use some
nanya
rest.
perasaan.
I'll be better when I find who did this, which I can't do while sitting in here.
We all want the same thing here, Bigby. Look, I know what you must be going through. Really, I do. But I could use your cooperation.
Merokok aja lah. Stay cool aja cuy. Stay cool.
That's very helpful. Thank you.
Lah hening. Lu. Kenapa dia?
Are you okay? You don't look so good. Detective Brannigan?
I'm Detective Brannigan.
Yeah, I know. I just said that. Is there something?
Do you hear that?
Oh, kenapa dia?
Please,
Kena santet.
please. I'm sorry. Just make it stop, please.
Anjing. Kenapa nih? Wah, anjing si keren.
To go now.
What the fuck is going on?
You should be thanking me. It's just a memory wipe spell. Very expensive,
Oh.
but it works. The whole station
Ulahnya dia
for the
cuy.
last
Dia
24
hapus ingatan
hours,
mereka semua.
and everything they saw at the woodlands. Well, hurry up.
Oke, thank you botak. Ambil fotonya cuy. Pintar. Berguna juga dia si keren. Kirain ngampas saja. Lah, malah dibalas. Makasih dulu.
Thanks for bailing me out.
Certainly. We found Tweedledee chained up to a post. That was your doing, correct?
Yeah?
Well, I don't know why you detained him. Dee was at the Trip Trap when Snow was left at the woodlands, so he couldn't possibly be involved in this mayhem. Bluebeard's currently interrogating him.
He's working for somebody. And Whoever it is wants him snooping around every crime scene I've looked at.
That doesn't necessarily mean they're involved in the murders. I know what you're thinking, Bigby. It's been one full night and a slice of morning, and I already miss her too.
Iya cuy, kaget. Masa tiba-tiba dia mati? Padahal mau dijadikan pacar loh.
I never get more
sama si Bigby.
One of us dies. And now, for it to be Snow, I've never been good with these sorts of things. I just can't believe this is
It's hard aja lah.
Yeah, it's hard.
Biar kita bersimpati sama perasaan dukanya juga.
Our stories used to be so simple. We had a beginning, a middle, and an end. But ever since we moved to this awful city, everything's gotten so confused.
Nah itulah cuy. Kalian kan selama ini berada di dunia dongeng. Begitu keluar muncul ke realita kaget. Karena dunia itu tidak sesimpel itu. Tidak seperti katamu tadi, keren. Yang cuma ada 3 chapter itu, 3 bagian dalam cerita dongeng. Awal, tengah, sama akhir. Hidup itu kompleks cuy.
I just want to make sure that she wasn't going looking for trouble, that's all. I don't know what else to say, Bigby. We have to put an end to this. It's been 2 murders in as many days. If we don't unearth our culprit, and soon, there will likely be another on our doorstep tonight.
I'll get it done.
Please, Bigby, for Miss White.
I got it.
Tahu kita itu cuy. Malah dibikin kesal si anjing.
That's not a very good answer, is it? Come on, just tell me what I want to know. It will make things a lot less painful for you, in theory.
Oh, were you planning on using
Siapa dia?
that? I just thought you really liked rubbing your little sword.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Hello, Ichabod. Sheriff.
Bluebeard.
I was
Oh,
just
itu
chatting with our
Bluebeard.
new friend.
You were supposed to wait for us to get back. I told you, if you want to be involved, you will do things my way. No violence!
Oh, munafik.
Whatever you say, Ichabod.
Ichabod.
Hello, Bigby.
I want answers, D.
Oh, si D
Oh,
namanya.
goody. I thought you wanted questions, and I was having so much trouble thinking of any good ones. Though I'd settled on, how's your head?
You see what I've been dealing with? What are you going to do about this, Bigby?
Do you think this is a joke? Snow White is dead.
Look, I didn't kill anyone.
And I'm supposed to just believe you.
You were with me when it happened, dummy.
Brengsek dia ini.
I still
Bikin
have
kesal.
questions for you, D.
Sounds like a personal problem.
Back in the alley, you mentioned your employer. Who is it? Who are you working for?
Siapa bosnya?
Why? You looking to change your occupation?
Pukul pokoknya. Karena sudah Snow White yang meninggal cuy.
Let's get to know each other.
Harus pakai kekerasan nih. Pukul, pukul. Pukul lagi.
Fuck! So, this is how it's gonna be.
Just
Oh,
tell
yeah.
me who your employer is.
I can't tell you, and pushing me around isn't gonna change that. My brother and I work hard, and we keep our mouths shut. That's the deal.
I forgot about your brother. Dumb, right? How appropriate.
Where was your brother last night?
Are you accusing him of something?
What do you think?
He didn't do it, if that's what you're getting at. He didn't kill her. You have no fucking right to keep me here. You have no evidence. Give me my stuff and let me go.
What did you find on him?
Oh, nothing of consequence, really.
Apa aja barang-barangnya? Wih, duitnya banyak cuy.
You have no right to...
Nah, kita tunjukkan aja fotonya si kepalanya Snow White.
I don't want to see that shit. Just put that away. Don't make me look at that.
If you don't tell me who did this, I'll make sure you end up the same way. Dead on your doorstep. Got it?
I told you, I didn't kill her. I don't know who did.
Where's your brother, D?
I don't know, okay? I haven't seen him since I left to go find Faith's... Since we ran into you. But he didn't kill anybody, so you leave him alone.
You mentioned Faith. What about her?
I went to her apartment. That's no secret. You saw me there.
No, there's more to it. You said you were trying to find something.
Iya, apa yang dia incar?
All right, D. What did you want from Faith?
I'm not telling you shit.
Pukul.
You'll fucking pay for this.
What are you doing?
Getting answers.
I told you to keep yourself under control.
Let me handle this. What did you want from Faith?
I didn't want shit from that little thief. More trouble than she's worth.
I could say the same about you.
Oh yeah? Untie me and see how much trouble I am.
What did she steal?
Apa yang dia curi?
Invaluable.
I don't know. It was just some dumb thing my boss was after.
What did you say?
Your boss.
Well, that brings me back to my first question. Who are you working for? Come on, D. It's clear you're just following orders. So who's calling the shots?
No, I'm fucking done. Got something to say?
You need to tell me who you're working for. Look, I know it's unpleasant.
Sudah bonyok dia kita pukuli, cuy.
I'm not trying to make things
Kita pakai
difficult for you.
diplomasi
I
aja.
just need you to cooperate. Once you've answered my questions, I'll let you go.
You knocked my teeth out my fucking face, and now you want to be best friends. No fucking way! You're out of your mind!
As long as you cooperate, I'll be nice. This is all up to you.
Unbelievable.
Why don't you just tell me who you're working for?
Look, you're not a bad guy, despite what Beauty says about you. At least, you're not a total bastard anyway. But I just can't give you that information.
There's no way Beauty would associate with a scumbag like you.
What's wrong with me? You're telling me I ain't pretty enough? Yeah, we're real close.
Oh, asshole juga dia ini.
This was supposed to be a murder investigation, but you're treating this guy like a fucking house guest, Bluebeard! You were making progress before. What is this patty cake shit? Snow White is dead. One of us. And you're going to let this ignorant shit walk out of here in one piece. Out of my way. I'll show you how it's done.
Anjing.
What the fuck? What do you think you're doing?
Teaching him a lesson. Now pay attention.
Stop this right now!
You enjoying yourself?
Immensely.
Back off, Bluebeard.
Terjadi perselisihan, cuy. Anjing, lambat. Cepat. Nanti kita yang mati lagi. Oh, siapa nih? Anjing masih hidup. Itu siapa yang mati?
Snow.
Wah, anjing. Plot twist. Anjing. Bangsat, bikin kaget. Kita skip aja nanti bagian ini, cuy. Episode 2, Smoke and the Mirror. Ini si bangsat malah tidur. Adegannya cuma tidur aja ke si anjing.
What the hell was going on down there, Bigby? Abusing a prisoner like that.
I thought you were dead, Snow.
And that makes it okay?
Ya, ada apa-apa lah, pakai kekerasan.
I hope it was worth your time.
You really scared us. If we'd just known you weren't actually dead...
I was working on this case. After a conversation in the taxi last night, I got a call from Toad. He said his son found a body. We thought it was Faith at the time. Getting her back here wasn't easy. But hopefully we'll find something on her to help us track down the killer.
I should have been there, Snow.
I tried calling the business office, but there was no answer. I couldn't find you, or anyone, so I took care of it.
Ya, syukurlah dia tidak meninggal.
Snow?
What is it?
I'm glad you're not dead.
Me too. I just want to get to the bottom of this. I just feel like...
What is it?
I feel responsible in a way. She looked just like me. And maybe that's why she was killed.
If someone wants you dead, at some point they'll realize they missed their target.
And they'll come looking for me. We just have to find out who did this. And why she was glamored to look like me. I mean, that's what it is, right? So, what's our next move?
We just keep doing what we've been doing. We do our jobs.
And I'm supposed to do what? Sit around the business office twiddling my thumbs? Waiting for the big bad wolf to solve all my problems?
That's not what I meant.
Well, then what did you mean? I told you, I'm tired of sitting around. I'm not going to be an errand girl for
Malah salah
anymore.
ngomongnya.
I just want you to
Padahal
be
bukan
careful.
itu.
I almost lost you once.
I'm not yours to lose.
Aduh, padahal mau didekati.
I'm sorry.
Jinak-jinak merpati dia.
But I'm not helpless.
Dia baik kalau dia butuh kita aja, cuy. Dimanfaatkan aja kita ini. Kampret nih.
TJ is waiting inside. He was so freaked out last night, he wouldn't tell us much. Even now, he just stops talking altogether after a certain point. He's pretty shaken up, though, so try not to be too, you know...
To be me.
Myself.
Right.
Mewahnya kantornya. Oh, anjing gedenya pedangnya.
TJ's over there. I don't know if you want to talk to him first or after, but let me know when you're ready to see the body. I want to be there. Buffkin, do you have a second?
Of course, Miss Snow.
Langsung aja lah.
Oh, that's enough. Mira, vanish! Cancel!
No. What the hell are you doing?
What? I wasn't touching nothing.
What's going on?
Don't worry, no harm done. Right, Bigby?
What were you doing with the mirror, Toad?
I thought maybe I'd catch you on the shitter. I was just having a laugh. We've been waiting there a long time.
TJ.
Kalau dia pakai glamour, wujud manusianya kayak apa sih kurut?
It's all right. Are you ready to talk to Mr. Wolf?
Matanya tuh loh. Kayak malas.
It's okay.
This won't take long.
Go ahead, TJ.
I go swimming at night sometimes, in the river. I wasn't doing anything bad, I promise.
Of course you weren't.
We know you're a good kid, TJ.
We'll talk about that later.
I was there, under the big blocks, and I heard noisy feet. And when I hear that, I'm supposed to go underwater and stay real still and quiet.
That's right, son.
then I saw the lady.
It's okay, son.
Take your time.
The lady fell in. But she didn't have her head on. I thought she was gonna pull me down too. Cause she had rocks on her feet and she kept falling down in the dark parts.
Cinder blocks tied to her ankles. Is there more, TJ?
Is it true? You know when people are lying? I heard you could do that. That's why you're the sheriff.
Jangan terlalu kasar lah. It's magical ya.
Yeah, it's my special power. I always know when people aren't telling me the truth. Is there something else you want to say?
Please, don't be mad.
What is it, TJ?
I didn't stay under the water.
What?
I know I'm supposed to, but I was scared, and I went to the top again. I couldn't help it.
I gave you very specific rules. You have to stay quiet and out of sight or bad things can happen.
Udah, kita tenangkan si Todd ini, si ngentot nih.
He's my son. I've set boundaries for a reason.
This is a special circumstance. Leave him alone.
So you didn't stay underwater?
I don't know if anyone saw me, but someone said, "Stop laughing." And then I was scared, and I went under for as long as I could.
Wait, you heard someone?
Yes.
Why didn't you tell us before?
Did you hear anyone laughing?
No.
Do you know whose voice it was?
No.
Were those the same words they used? Stop laughing? Try to remember exactly what they said.
They said, stop laughing at me.
Bigby, he's frightened.
Did you hear anything else?
I don't know. I'm sorry. After I came up again, there was no one there, and I ran home, that's all. I promise. I want to go home.
Okay.
Udah, biarkan aja dia cuy.
Thank you, TJ.
Okay, son. Let's get you home.
Kita puji dia.
Good job, kid.
Come on then.
Biar dia ngerasa berguna.
That went about as well as I expected. You want to go look at the body now?
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh my goodness, I almost forgot.
Tumben ndak mabuk si Buffkin tuh. Witching Well Chamber, the Woodland Building. Sumur apa ini? Witching Well. Look at.
I didn't realize I've never seen her face before now.
This is weird.
Yeah. The glamour is so effective, it's invasive. But just do what you need to do. Check her mouth. There might be a ribbon in there, like before. Anything?
Nothing.
Nggak ada pita.
Can you close her mouth? Thanks. That's weird. I don't wear a brooch like that.
Maybe it really belonged to her. Not part of the glamour.
Looks like something from the homelands. Buffkin, do you recognize these symbols?
No, nothing I've seen before.
Looks just like Faith's did.
But there was nothing in her mouth this time. Do you think it was done by the same person?
Hard to tell. Did Dr. Swinehart ever get back to you about Faith?
No. He said he wanted to run more tests.
Bekas apa itu? Kok ini bekas tali?
She was tied up?
They tied cinder blocks to her ankles, so she would sink.
Oh.
Nah itu, kesapa tuh? Jarum suntik.
She used Mundy drugs?
Looks that way. Pretty heavily, too. I hear they only go for the legs if they've used up the veins in their arms, or if they're trying to hide the marks.
Wait. If the glamour is supposed to make her look like me, shouldn't it be concealing things like track marks? That brooch, too. Why would it change everything else? I've never seen one this sloppy. It looks like it's failing, but glamours aren't supposed to do that. The witches upstairs know what they're doing, that's why they cost so much. Unless someone is making glamours illegally?
It's not technically illegal, miss. It's not encouraged for sure, but there aren't any laws specifically forbidding it.
So there's some sort of black market for glamours?
One would assume so. I imagine anyone with access to the proper books and training could theoretically produce a glamour.
Yet another thing to worry about. Black market or not, it's a pretty good match. Look at that. The buttons aren't exact either. There's an extra one here.
Kita lihat tangannya dulu. Ada apa?
So she fought back?
No marks on the knuckles.
Oh.
Maybe she was grabbing something?
Maybe.
Oh, anjing kerasnya. Coba lagi lah.
What are you doing?
Only way to find out.
Jesus, Bigby. What is it?
Bunga apa itu?
Flowers.
Yeah. You're right. These buttons are wrong. I wonder...
What?
Snow, I need to open her coat.
Bigby, just let me.
Wadidaw. Bikini kayak itu.
We're making progress. Let's see what else we can find.
Sorry, that took longer than expected. What have you found out?
Her glamour's defective.
Oh, defective?
We're thinking it's black market. We should really be regulating this kind of thing.
Yes.
We should keep going.
Kita lihat apa? Sapunya.
What is that?
It's your perfume.
How did you know what perfume I wear?
You can't fool this nose. Looks like someone picked it out for her.
So, someone gave her instructions. I've seen things like this before. It's definitely magic, though witches don't usually craft objects these days.
I don't think it's wise to fool around with that. It's some kind of black market magic. Who knows what it could do? We should have it looked at. Just to make sure it isn't dangerous. Don't you think?
You may be right. One way to find out.
What?
There's something in here.
How do we open it?
I think I can figure it out. Something to do with these rings here.
Apa ini, puzzle kah? Kebablasan.
A deer. What does that mean? Oh.
Apa itu? Ulu. Oh, rambut.
Is that...
It's your hair.
Apa ini, uang? Anjing sudah kayak pelet cuy, pakai foto lagi.
I noticed it was missing, but I didn't think. This was the last picture I had of Rose and me. My sister and I don't talk much anymore. Who did this, Bigby?
She's a troll?
You gotta be kidding me.
Wah, anjir.
Yeah, she's a troll. Can we move on?
Who is she? That wasn't there before. Who do you think she is? I don't know many trolls, I'm afraid.
Should have left them all back in the homelands.
You don't mean that, do you?
She looks like Holly.
The owner of the Trip Trap? No, she looks a little... Oh no.
What is it?
It's not Holly, it's her sister Lily. She was
Iya, mirip yang bartender itu mukanya kalau jadi troll.
slipped through the cracks.
We have to go tell Holly.
Right. Who knows, she might know something about this. Who Lily was seeing.
Well, certainly another troll.
We should go.
You can't go out there.
Why not?
It's too dangerous. Someone tried to kill you. Bigby, you can't let her go out there with you. You'd be put
Ya, kita biarkan aja, sudah besar juga kok.
Wants to come with me? I'm not gonna stop her.
But
we should leave now. You ready?
Yeah.
Sudah besar juga, ngapain dilarang cuy. Wih, tempat kemarin kita bikin kekacauan.
The thing is complete bullshit and always has been. I mean, what's his job, really?
To keep shit from reaching the woodlands. Jack, I don't know where they are.
You're a bar. You're supposed to have darts around.
And I normally do, but who knows where the fuck they went to after...
Come on.
Selesai bola-bola.
I need entertainment. This'll do.
Gugup.
Okay, I know. Just relax. I'm not here to start anything.
Okay.
Miss White, I heard you had kind of a strange morning.
It's been kind of a strange morning for everyone, I think.
Every time I see this guy, he seems to lose weight. It's amazing. It really is. He loses weight and yet somehow keeps
Yang lain
muscle.
takut.
Jack.
So
Wolfie, my
akrab.
dear, how are you? Because, you know, we were just talking about you. All of us. At the bar, here.
I just need to talk to Holly. Privately.
Alright, just give us a second first. I'm dying to hear about the body that came out of the East River this morning. It was a fable, right? Oh, everyone knows.
Tahu juga mereka cuy.
Tweedledee was just here.
You said it looked like Snow White.
Sure it wasn't Tweedledum?
Well, no, but he seemed pretty sure.
Crane.
Sorry.
Tweedledee said you arrested him for no earthly reason. Kept him locked in the cellar all fucking night. He said you tortured him. Which, I don't know, that seems like a breach of your legislative duties. Bigby, come on. You can't be so dumb as
Jack, find the off button, now!
Bacot betul ya anjing.
What is it with you two? You and Gran are all, let's get a posse together when there's no one around, but as soon as the big bad wolf walks in, your tails go between your legs. That got your nerve? What happened?
What happened? I'm tired is what happened.
Tired of what?
Jack.
What? Bigby, look. 2 fables are dead. And shit, Gren's sister...
Holly's sister.
Holly's sister has been missing for what?
Biarkan ada
2 days
baca
now?
dulu.
And we haven't heard word one about it from anyone.
Nanti kita kayak diktator lagi, ngebungkam semua orang.
Updates on my sister.
Be gentle aja.
I don't know how to say this to you, Holly. The woman we found in the river.
Who was it?
You know who it was.
Boy, I sure walked into that one.
If you say one more fucking thing.
Bacot betul dia itu. Yang satu itu si Jack.
God fucking damn it. Of course, the dear princess Snow fucking White is all safe and sound.
Kena lagi.
Where were you when we reported this weeks ago, huh? Where are you when we ever fucking need you? If you'd give 1 ounce of a shit about her, about any of us, she might have been saved. She might have been cared for. She might have been...
All right, everyone. Clear out.
I ain't leaving her with you. No way.
Holly.
Get the fuck out of my bar.
I just want
It should have been you. It should have been you, and it wasn't.
Nah, kita pergi aja. Cocok mereka berdua nih. Paham kode-kodeannya.
We recovered this from her personal effects. I thought you might like to have it.
I didn't know she still had this. The copper was from a dwarf mine.
That was decent of you.
Gren.
Yeah?
Take off for a bit, would you?
Are you sure?
Turut berduka cita ya Holly atas meninggal saudarimu.
I don't know that much about her life.
Tocil cuy.
Honestly, we didn't talk often. She was lost here in the city. She just got swept away by it.
Did she have any friends? Anyone who could tell us what she might have been doing? Why she'd be a target?
I don't know about her friends. She hung around where she worked, mostly. She was hooking to pay down debt. It ate me up to see her that way. Eventually, the only people she owed were at her work. You know, that shithole club, the Puddin' and Pie.
Pudding and Pie.
The owner, Georgie, with all his fucking fees. It's a crock of shit. That's how they kept her under their thumb, really.
Holly, it's okay. If it's too
Georgie.
much, we don't have
Soalnya
to...
sudah 2 kali yang disebut. Si Prince Lawrence juga ngomong kayak gitu.
I've heard that name. What do you know about him?
We can just go talk to him. We've got a lead. Maybe we can take it from here.
Lily.
Thanks for everything, Holly. Is there...
Kita akhiri aja, karena lagi berduka deh cuy, kasihan. Penuh pressure.
No, I'm better off dealing with things alone. I don't need sympathy and I don't need charity.
It's not charity. It's looking out for our own.
Is she? Where is she?
She's at the business office. She's taken care of.
I'm gonna have to go down there and get her. Fuck.
Please, we can handle the funeral arrangements.
No, it's a kind of... It's a formality with trolls.
Of course.
Okay, good.
Let's go down to the business office and start making the necessary preparations.
Yang dipersulit lah.
Right?
Sudah meninggal juga cuy. Barang siapa yang mempersulit seseorang, maka Allah akan mempersulit orang tersebut.
See what I can find out from the owner.
You were good with her. I'm impressed. Really, thanks. It just made everything easier.
Bakatnya Big Ben. Nyenangi si Snow White. Sudah apa cari? Ulah kita tuh cuy. Oke, kayaknya kita ke klub malam lagi nih cuy. Ke apa tuh namanya? Pudding and Pie kah? Oh iya, Pudding and Pie, The Bronx. Wih, keren nih, si Tocil. Toket kecil.
Oh, Sheriff, what a nice surprise. I'm not sure I've seen you here before. You're always welcome, of course. Is it business or pleasure?
Temannya Georgie.
Friend of Georgie's. Where is he?
Mukanya langsung mengkerut.
You're in luck. He's here. Come on. I should warn you that Georgie does not like to be bothered when he's working. And he's in kind of a mood right now. I mean, more so than usual.
Is he, alone in there?
He's working with one of the dancers, but don't worry about that. Discretion is our guarantee. Welcome to the Pudding and Pie, where we cater to the diverse tastes of the Fable community. Your pleasure is our pleasure. Your desires are our desires.
Did you
tanya aja tentang si Lily cuy.
My lips are sealed. You'd better ask Georgie.
Waduh.
For fuck's sake. What do you think you're doing? You look like
Wah,
you're trying
ini
to take a shit.
nonton dengan bijak cuy.
Who's gonna want that? No one's gonna want that.
Nice guy. Seems like a real prince.
You do have a sense of humor. That's good. Good luck.
It's your face. You have to smile. You never smile. How many times do I have to say it?
Hey!
Oh, it's you. We're closed. Keep dancing, you. I didn't say stop.
Anjing dikecangi.
For fuck's sake. You, stay right there. Don't even think about sitting down.
I got a few questions.
Imagine my excitement. What do you want then?
Logatnya kayak orang British cuy. Orang Inggris.
Tell you what, come back after midnight maybe. I can hook you up. Or, knowing you, she's probably not quite your style. You'd prefer someone who can take a bit of a beating.
I'm not here for that.
Oh, I'm not here for that. Just stopped in for the chips then. Jesus, Bigby, you're so corny. I love it though. No, seriously, I love it.
Kayaknya ini asshole nih.
Okay, alright, Sheriff. Just fucking with you. Look, I know why you're here.
When did you hear about it?
Listen, Sheriff. Around here, we can't afford to wait for you and your swanky pals to take an interest. We have to look out for each other. When shit happens, I hear about it. Especially if it concerns my livelihood.
In that case, I assume you knew Lily was glamored.
Of course she was, you daft git. She was a troll.
No. I mean glamored to look like another fable.
Yeah? Well, so what? Who gives a toss? People get up to all kinds of things when nobody's watching.
It's sick.
Ha! That's quaint. Especially coming from you.
The 13th floor would never provide a glamour like that. It's strictly black market stuff.
Ooh, black market is it? How exciting. This is exactly what I would expect from a thug like you. Storm in, throw around a bunch of accusations, try to scare people. But you've got fuck all to back it up.
Anjing, ludahi.
And we're all just meant to jump anytime the wolf shows his teeth. It used to be something, you know.
Nothing to back it up? Well, what the fuck is this then?
Get that out of my face.
I found it on Lily's body, and it's definitely a back alley job. Where did she get it?
You've got this all wrong. If Lily was doing a special glamour, it wasn't for me. For fuck's sake, I want that kind of eat.
Who was she doing it for, then?
She had clients, Bigby. Maybe one of them was into it. A lot of fucked up people in Fabletown.
Like who?
Try looking in the mirror. Anyway, now what to do with me. Go on, then.
Matikan aja lah.
You're gonna hit me? Go ahead. That's what you want to do, right? That's what you came here for, right?
Mampus.
Oh no, fuck! You! Take your sad fucking face where I can't see it! Bloody bastard fucking shit! You proud of yourself, mate? Proud of your little mess? Fuck's sake.
Siapa ini?
Fuck off, Hans.
Hans siapa?
Hold on a minute. Hans, is it?
Hans just cleans up and provides a little muscle when we need it. He's not gonna know anything about the girls and their clients or any of that. No one knows. Don't you get it? It's by design. Discretion is our guarantee, right? And the way we guarantee that is that no one knows anything they don't have to know, including me. I cover my eyes and take my cut. End of story.
Why not look it up?
What's that?
Isn't there a little book with all the stuff about the girls and all that written in it?
You're a fucking moron.
Show me.
Terbongkar.
There is no book. And as for you, Hans, we need to work on your communication skills and have a fairly good idea where to start. Hey, that's my personal property. Sure, go ahead. Do what comes naturally.
Jangan, kita jangan sampai merusak lah. Orang cari nafkah di sini, cuy.
Tell me about the book.
You haven't got the slightest clue about anything. Hey, now.
Jangan. Tidak boleh merusak. Kita harus tempuh jalur diplomasi aja di sini.
Crap, Georgie. I want the book Hans is talking about.
Hans is confused. Again.
Soalnya kita sudah hajar di, cuy. Kita sudah pakai kekerasan. Jadi untuk kali ini ya. Lagian dia cuma informan, cuy.
Why don't you just tell me where the book is?
Can we please not go round and round about this? There's no book. End of story. Do not touch that. You hear me? It's nothing to do with you.
There's still time for you to just cough it up.
I'm sorry, Sheriff, but there's no handy magic book with everything you want to know jotted down inside. I sincerely wish there was. Maybe it would get you off me back.
Bingo.
Well, what's this? Looks like a floor safe.
I wouldn't know. It was here when we moved in. I don't have a key to it. Sheriff, will you come on? Fuck's sake, I've got to open up in a few hours.
Janganlah disakiti. Tadi sudah kita tonjok soalnya.
Give it to me.
You're a big bad bastard. We get it. Everyone's guilty. We fucking get it. Jesus, you're killing me. I'm begging you. I'll pay you.
2 women are dead.
Then quit being a bloody idiot. Come on, Nate. Leave it. There's nothing there for you.
Jangan, tidak boleh ngerusak.
You might want to stand back.
All right, all right, all right.
Kan, dikasih juga kan?
Bloody come on then. Prick.
Prick.
Once again, don't get your hopes up. There's nothing in here that'll tell you anything. But it's a kick to the balls for me and my club, so we can be happy about that.
Here, this is Lily's last entry. So tell me, Georgie, who's this Mr. Smith?
Oh dear. I'm afraid it might be a fake name, Bigby. Secrecy is sort of how this all works. Even Ants knows that.
What's 207? Room number?
I don't fucking know. Millimeters, maybe?
Don't bullshit me, Georgie. This is your book. Your girls.
I'm not their fucking secretary. I give them a stage, I give them music, I provide an erotic venue to attract and retain clients. But let's be clear on something. The girls make the arrangements with their clients, not me. The girls. They're the ones with the Mr. Smiths and Joneses and Mr. X types. Whatever happens outside the club, that's on them. I log the business, take my cut, and I'm out. Now, I've had quite enough of you and your bullying. Excuse me while I call your superiors to make a complaint.
Kita pergi ke ruang ganti cuy.
Hello? Business office?
Lipstick, lip gloss, compact, glitter.
Apa ini catatan kan?
Faith, thanks for covering for me tonight. Let's talk before you go over to the apartment. Lily. Looks like they both saw one of Lily's clients.
Sudah dirusak.
Broken open, but there isn't even a lock. Lock's been busted open.
Nggak ada apa-apa sih.
Excuse me.
Oh, ini cewek tadi. Yang nari-nari cuy.
I don't remember ever seeing you here before.
Somebody else said that to me on the way in.
I guess we're all surprised. You're trying to place me. They used to call me the
Anjing, Little Mermaid cuy.
Once upon a time.
You have legs. Had a glamour?
No, they're real. Do you like them? They cost me a lot.
Siannya.
My name is Nerissa.
Well, Nerissa, I've got some questions.
Of course you do. I don't have answers. You'll have to find those yourself.
I need to know about one of Lily's clients. Calling himself Mr. Smith, apparently.
We can't talk about work.
This is a murder case.
I mean can't. These lips are sealed. Discretion is our guarantee.
Itu apa?
It's how things work here.
People keep using those phrases. What does it mean? This is what I need to know about. Lily's last entry. Who's Mr. Smith? Where's room 207? I have to know.
These lips. Sheriff Wolf, would you like to make an appointment with me?
Okay. What would I need to do?
I need 150. It's not good to be short.
Bayar lah.
Okay. Oh,
oh iya, ada uang kita cuy.
Wait here for a second.
Astaga, miskin. Wolf. Malah dibayar lagi.
Not 207?
You'll think of something.
The open arms. This is where they met.
Enjoy your stay.
Dia sudah bantu kita loh cuy.
Find what you're looking for.
Sisanya kita yang ngurus. Makasih Nerissa. Oke lah teman-teman, kita akhiri sampai di sini aja dulu perjalanan kita. Semoga hari kalian menyenangkan dan thank you sudah nonton cuy. Luwak white coffee passwordnya. Oke, waalaikumsalam. Oke. Oke aman. Oke, siap. Waalaikumsalam. Thank you.